What's up YouTube? Today I want to do a video on the Galaxy J7 Neo. It's an awesome phone. It has, as you can see, 13 megapixel camera, 5 in the front. It's pretty cool. Well, let's check it out. This one is unlocked. I will put in my description where to buy. This is what comes in the boxes like that. This is your phone. It is brand new, absolutely beautiful. What's in the box? You have your starter kit, your headphone jack, charger plug, and you have your battery. Pretty nice. You can see the processor. Absolutely amazing. So it's amazing. Let's turn it on. Okay, phone is pretty big. Take off your back cover. You will place your battery. Pretty big battery. And this is your power button, your volume. As you can see, you have your charger, your mic, your AUX, power. And look how beautiful that is. It is absolutely flawless. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, my description, I will have the link and where to buy the phone. I paid $140, I think it was. And it's absolutely amazing. Nice size phone. See, as you can see, it is unlocked. Well, that's about it. That's unboxing the J7. Thank you. Like and subscribe. I will have more stuff on this, on new products, all type of things. Also, if you would like to send me a product, I'm more willing to do it. Well, that's about it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.